Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the 5 top health tips you need to know to boost your well-being. I've distilled this down from a lot of research and some not-so-great advice that's been floating around. So let's get started. Did you know that insulin, the hormone we associate with blood sugar, plays a much bigger role in your health? When you consume sugar and refined carbs, your body breaks them down into glucose, causing a surge in blood sugar levels. To counteract this, your pancreas releases insulin, which acts like a key, unlocking your cells to allow glucose to enter and be used for energy. Constantly bombarding your body with sugar and refined carbs can lead to insulin resistance. Insulin resistance is the starting point for many chronic diseases. High insulin levels can lead to inflammation, setting the stage for heart disease and type 2 diabetes. High insulin levels can also contribute to weight gain, particularly belly fat. The key to optimal health lies in keeping your insulin levels balanced by reducing your intake of sugar and refined carbs. Make simple swaps like choosing whole fruits over fruit juice and opting for whole grains over refined grains to regain control of your insulin levels. Let's talk about a common misconception: the idea that you need to lose weight to be healthy. Focusing solely on the number on the scale can be counterproductive. Instead, shift your focus to improving your overall health. Prioritize nourishing your body with nutrient-dense foods, managing stress, getting enough sleep, and moving regularly. Restrictive diets that severely cut calories or eliminate entire food groups often backfire. Embrace whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. True health is about having energy, vitality, and a strong immune system. Ditch the diet mentality and embrace a holistic approach to health. Let's debunk the myth that you need to eat 6 small meals a day to boost your metabolism. Constantly grazing can keep your insulin levels elevated, making it harder to burn fat. Enter intermittent fasting, a tool that can help you regain control of your health. Intermittent fasting is about strategically timing your meals to allow for longer periods of fasting. During fasting periods, your insulin levels drop, allowing your body to burn stored fat for fuel. One simple way to incorporate intermittent fasting is by extending the time between your last meal of the day and your first meal the next day. Intermittent fasting offers many health benefits, including improved insulin sensitivity and reduced inflammation. Find a fasting window that fits your lifestyle and preferences. Let's clear up some misconceptions about fats. Not all fats are bad. Healthy fats are essential for optimal health. Trans fats are detrimental, but healthy fats like those in avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish are crucial. Vegetable oils like soybean, corn, and canola oil are highly processed and can contribute to inflammation. Embrace healthy saturated fats like coconut oil, grass-fed butter, and ghee. These fats are stable at high temperatures and offer health benefits like supporting brain health and reducing inflammation. Opt for organic, grass-fed, and pasture-raised sources whenever possible. Remember, fat is an essential macronutrient that plays a vital role in your health. If you're considering a ketogenic diet, focus on health and nutrient density. The keto diet can be effective for weight loss and blood sugar control, but it's not about deprivation. Choose high-quality, nutrient-dense foods that nourish your body. Replace carbs with nutrient-packed fats, moderate protein, and low-carb vegetables. Prioritize whole, unprocessed foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, non-starchy vegetables, fatty fish, and grass-fed meats. Opt for quality protein sources like grass-fed beef, pasture-raised poultry, and wild-caught fish. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water and incorporating herbal teas and bone broth. Listen to your body and adjust your approach based on your individual needs and goals. So there you have it. 5 essential health tips. Remember, it's all about focusing on health rather than just weight loss, managing insulin levels, and choosing the right fats. If you have questions about keto or need help getting started, drop a comment below or check out the contact info in the description for a keto consultant. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips. See you next time.